Here's how to destroy your life in silence, one habit at a time, not by doing something terrible, but by doing the same thing every single day and calling it normal. You don't need motivation to fix this. You need a new identity. Let me show you how to rebuild that permanently. Step 1. Stop trusting willpower. If your phone is on your desk, you'll scroll. If junk food is in your kitchen, you'll eat it. If your toxic friend keeps texting you, you'll respond. And every time you give in, you'll hate yourself a little more. And your brain? It loves this loop because pain, regret, and guilt are still stimulation. So the fix isn't forcing discipline, it's deleting the trigger. Put distance between you and the habit. Change your space, change your routine, change who you hang out with. Even if that means outgrowing the people you once called your world, they won't save you. Only you will. If this hits, consider subscribing. I'm here to help you outgrow your old self permanently. Step 2. Learn how to ignore urges. Removing temptation is easy, but what about those random thoughts that pop up at 3 p.m.? You know the ones. That whisper in your brain, just one scroll, just one hit, just one time. And then, you're back at square one. Here's the truth. We don't act on what we forget. We act on what we obsess over. So stop obsessing. Do this instead. Grab a notebook. Sit in silence for an hour. No phone. No music. Just you and the truth. Write down every reason you failed, every trigger, every emotion, every excuse. And when you know your enemy, you stop fearing it. You stop feeding it. That's how you break the mental loop. Step 3. Replace the habit. Don't just remove it. I didn't stop wasting time just by quitting Netflix. I started editing videos. I gave myself something to build, something to be proud of. Because here's the truth nobody tells you. You're not addicted to distraction. You're addicted to not creating. If you think you're not creative, you're wrong. You've just never been bored long enough to try. Add creativity to your life. It could save you. Just like it saved me. You'll never change your life by trying harder. You'll change it by becoming someone new. Someone who doesn't have time for that habit anymore. Someone who doesn't even recognize their old self. And if that's who you want to become, then hit subscribe and let's build that person together.